The year was 1968. The American Heart Association issued a recommendation to limit cholesterol intake to 300 milligrams per day. This meant no more than 3 eggs per week. The guidance demonized the humble egg. For decades, this advice shaped dietary choices. Recent research has shed light on the complex interplay of factors influencing cholesterol levels. Dietary cholesterol has a less significant impact on blood cholesterol levels than once thought. The real culprit lies in the intricate dance of fats, genetics, and lifestyle choices. To understand cholesterol's role in health and disease, we must delve into the fascinating world of lipoproteins, the molecular vehicles that transport cholesterol throughout the bloodstream. Lipoproteins come in various sizes and densities, each with a specific function. Key players include VLDL, LDL, and HDL. VLDL delivers triglycerides to cells for energy or storage. As VLDL sheds triglycerides, it transforms into LDL, often dubbed the bad cholesterol. HDL acts as a cholesterol scavenger, removing excess cholesterol from circulation. This process helps prevent cholesterol buildup in arteries, earning HDL its reputation as the good cholesterol. The egg, once vilified for its cholesterol content, has undergone a remarkable rehabilitation in recent years. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, about 186 milligrams per large egg, studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has a relatively small impact on blood cholesterol levels in most individuals. Our bodies are remarkably adept at regulating cholesterol production. When we consume dietary cholesterol, our liver compensates by reducing its own cholesterol synthesis, effectively mitigating the impact on blood cholesterol levels. Furthermore, research has shown that consuming eggs, even in moderate amounts, does not significantly increase LDL cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, some studies suggest that eggs may even improve cholesterol profiles. Egg yolks are a rich source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a role in lipid metabolism and may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, eggs provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutrient-dense food choice. Section 4. Lifestyle choices and cholesterol. Taking charge of your health. While genetics play a role in determining our baseline cholesterol levels, lifestyle choices exert a powerful influence on our cardiovascular health. Diet, exercise, smoking, and other lifestyle factors can significantly impact cholesterol levels and overall well-being. A diet high in saturated and trans fats found in many processed foods, red meat, and full-fat dairy products can raise LDL cholesterol levels. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve cholesterol balance. Fiber, found abundantly in plant-based foods, binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption and promoting its excretion. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of healthy cholesterol management. Exercise helps raise HDL cholesterol levels, improving the ratio of good to bad cholesterol in the bloodstream. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities at least twice a week. Smoking, on the other hand, has detrimental effects on cholesterol levels. Smoking lowers HDL cholesterol and increases LDL cholesterol, creating a double whammy for cardiovascular health. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful steps you can take to improve your cholesterol profile and reduce your risk of heart disease. Section 5. A holistic approach to healthy cholesterol. It's not just about the eggs. The saga of cholesterol, as we've discovered, is not a simple tale of good versus evil. It's a complex interplay of genetics, lifestyle choices, and the intricate workings of our bodies. While the egg, once demonized for its cholesterol content, has been largely exonerated, it represents just one piece of the cardiovascular puzzle. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels requires a holistic approach that encompasses diet, exercise, smoking cessation, and other lifestyle modifications. By embracing a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, engaging in regular physical activity, and avoiding tobacco smoke, we can optimize our cholesterol profiles and promote long-term cardiovascular health. Remember, managing cholesterol is not about obsessing over individual foods or nutrients. It's about adopting a sustainable lifestyle that nourishes our bodies and supports our overall well-being. By focusing on the big picture, we can make informed choices that empower us to live healthier, more vibrant lives.